So guys, you might have seen the video I shared, the YouTube video. Now look at the original side. I'm at the side for the Tales of Greek. Amazing venture. It's 2 BHK, starting from 800 SFT to 945 SFT. And guys, it's very luxurious and affordable price. I'll tell you the price at the end of this video. Well, here we are. Let me take you to, you can see the entrance on the back side. As mentioned, okay, look at the image. It's 10 floors, 328 flats, guys, all are 2 BHK, and this is at Shamshabad, towards just 10 kilometers towards the international airport. And if you measure the kilometers for the international airport, it's just 7.5 kilometers, which I have measured. So for the domestic, it's coming up to 10 kilometers. So the team is already working here. This is the venture. Every flat, every block has up to 10 feet gap, huge ventilation. The work is already done, so by December the interior this will be handed over to the owners for the interiors, and by March it should be completely handovered. So as you've seen the image and the video, the color pattern, it's gold and white. You will see the same color. The people, they're already working on that. The painting, everything should be done. So out of 328 flats, every flat is as per to Vastu. And this is a walk area which you have seen for the jogging and all stuff. And this is the garden and the fountains, which you have seen. It will be almost the same, and this is amazing.